Claudius Ptolemy, circa 100–circa 170 AD, was a mathematician, astronomer, astrologer, geographer, and music theorist, who wrote about a dozen scientific treatises, 3 of which were of importance to later Byzantine, Islamic, and Western European science. The first is the astronomical treatise now known as the Almagest, although it was originally entitled the Mathematica Syntaxis or Mathematical Treatise, and later known as the Greatest Treatise. The second is the Geography, which is a thorough discussion on maps and the geographic knowledge of the Greco-Roman world. The third is the Astrological Treatise, in which he attempted to adapt horoscopic astrology to the Aristotelian natural philosophy of his day. This is sometimes known as the Apotelesmatica, lit. On the effects, but more commonly known as the Tetrabiblos, from the Koine Greek meaning 4 books, or by its Latin equivalent quadripartite. Unlike most ancient Greek mathematicians, Ptolemy's writings, foremost the Almagest, never ceased to be copied or commented upon, both in late antiquity and in the Middle Ages. However, it is likely that only a few truly mastered the mathematics necessary to understand his works, as evidenced particularly by the many abridged and watered-down introductions to Ptolemy's astronomy that were popular among the Arabs and Byzantines alike. Ptolemy lived in or around the city of Alexandria, in the Roman province of Egypt under Roman rule, had a Latin name, which several historians have taken to imply he was also a Roman citizen, cited Greek philosophers, and used Babylonian observations and Babylonian lunar theory. In half of his extant works, Ptolemy addresses a certain Cyrus, a figure of whom almost nothing is known but who likely shared some of Ptolemy's astronomical interests. The 14th century astronomer Theodore Meliteniotes gave his birthplace as the prominent Greek city Ptolemy Hermeu in the Thebaid. This attestation is quite late, however, and there is no evidence to support it. Ptolemy died in Alexandria around 168.